John, wake up. It's 7:45.
What? No, my alarm didn't ring.
Mine didn't ring either. We're late.
I have a meeting at 9. Oh, no.
Me too. My boss is in that meeting.
Okay, let's be fast. Go to the bathroom first.
I'm already here.
John, I need the bathroom too.
1 minute. I'm brushing my teeth.
You always take too long.
I'm done. It's yours.
Finally. Wait, where is my shampoo?
I don't know. Maybe under the sink?
It's not there. Did you use it?
I used a little. Sorry.
John, that was my last bottle.
I'm really sorry. Use mine.
Yours smells like the gym.
It's not that bad.
Yes, it is. Okay, fine.
I'm going to make coffee. Do you want some?
Yes, please, and some toast too.
Okay, no problem.
Don't burn the toast this time.
I never burn the toast.
Last Tuesday, Jaman.
That was one time.
It was 3 times.
Okay, I'll be careful.
Thank you.
Mary, the toaster is broken.
What? Are you serious?
It's not turning on.
Did you plug it in?
Of course Oh, no, I didn't.
John?
It's on now. Toast is coming.
Okay, I'm getting dressed. Where is my blue jacket?
In the closet?
It's not there.
Maybe on the chair in the bedroom.
Oh, yes, here it is, but it has a stain.
A stain? Where?
Right here, on the front.
Can you wear something else?
This is my best jacket for meetings.
What about the gray one?
The gray one is too small now.
You look great in it.
You're just saying that.
I'm serious. You always look good.
Okay, fine. I'll wear the gray one.
Great. Coffee is ready.
Finally, something is going right.
The toast is also... Oh, no.
What?
It's a little dark.
John!
But it's not black. It's just dark brown.
Give it to me.
Here.
This is definitely burned.
It still tastes okay.
Does it?
Probably.
I'll just have the coffee.
Good idea.
Where are my keys?
On the table?
Not there.
In your bag?
I already checked.
In your jacket pocket.
Oh. Yes, here they are.
See? No problem.
You're very calm for someone who is also late.
I work better under pressure.
That is not true.
A little true.
Where is your bag?
Right here. I'm ready.
Your shirt is inside out.
What?
Your shirt, inside out.
Are you sure?
I can see the tag, John.
Oh, no. 1 second.
We have no seconds.
I'm fast.
You are never fast.
Done. How do I look?
Better, but your hair...
My hair is fine.
It's pointing left.
That's the style.
That is not a style.
Can we go now?
Yes, let's go. Wait, did you turn off the stove?
The stove?
The coffee, John. The stove.
I turned off the... Actually, let me check.
Oh, my goodness.
It's off. It's off. I did turn it off.
Are you sure?
100%.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, my phone?
John.
Found it. Let's go. Right now.
Come on, we're taking the elevator.
The elevator is slow. Let's use the stairs.
It's 7 floors.
Good exercise.
We are not taking the stairs.
Okay. Elevator.
Press the button.
I'm pressing it.
Press it again.
Pressing it more doesn't make it faster.
Press it anyway.
Okay.
Finally, it's here.
See? Fast.
That was 2 minutes.
2 quick minutes.
Let's just go.
Mary, look, I'm sorry about this morning.
It's okay. These things happen.
Next time, I will set 2 alarms.
Me too.
And I will buy your shampoo.
Thank you. That would be nice.
And I will not
burn the toast.
Let's not promise too much.
Fair.
But really, thank you. You tried.
We both tried.
We're a good team, a very chaotic team.
The best kind.
We're still going to be late.
Yes, but together.
That doesn't help.
A little.
Maybe a little.
I'll text my boss.
I'll text mine too.
What will you say?
Train delay.
We don't take the train.
He doesn't know that.
Mary.
What are you gonna say?
Also, train delay.
Exactly.
Okay, texting now.
Done. Now walk faster.
I'm walking fast.
Faster!
These are my fastest legs.
Those are not fast legs.
I love you too, Mary.
I didn't say I love you.
You were thinking it.
Walk faster.
Yes, ma'am.